यतो वाचो निवर्तन्ते अप्राप्य मनसा सह, including the mind, it cannot reach that. So if you ask me to speak, I don't know whether I will be able to do justice. But I will cite only one extraordinary verse by one of the greatest thinkers and historian of Tamil Nadu, Sekkiyar. About this form, he says, Kalpanai. What? Nataraja is Kalpana? No. Kalpanai Kadanda Jyoti. He is beyond your Kalpana. You go whatever height, even beyond that is that form of Nataraja, which Sekkiyar says, Kalpanai Kadanda Jyoti. But if he is there, how can I see? How can my youngster see? So, Karunaye Uruvamahi. That's what Swamiji said. Out of compassion he came down. Karunaye Uruvamahi. Arbuda Kolam Needi. Beautiful form. Arbuda Kolam Needi. How? How do you call him? Arumarai Sirasin Melam. Aru is unparalleled. Marai Veda. Arumarai, unparalleled Veda. Try to reach him, try to call him. It's not Veda, even beyond Veda. The top of Veda, Arumarai Sirasin Melam. Chit Paravyomamahum. Chit, your consciousness, is the ever expanding knowledge, ever expanding space. That is where you get that supreme Chit Paravyomamahum. Chit. தில்லை சிற்றம்பலத்துள் நின்று பொற்புடன் நடம் செய்கின்ற பூங்கழல் போற்றி போற்றி. தில்லை சிற்றம்பலத்துள் நின்று பொற்புடன் ஆடும் பூங்கழல் போற்றி போற்றி. This is the essence of Nataraja that Sekkiyar gives in his Periya Puranam at the beginning. He calls it Chit Paravyomam Akasa. That's what Swamiji said. Parakasa. Imagine, friend, the entire vast space, it has no direction, no color. What the color we see is only not actual color. There is no color for it. And it expands, ever expanding. In that, what is that? Is your own consciousness, Chit, and that Chit is Paravyoma, Parakasa. Akasa is the vast space where all these planets and stars and all other celestial things are moving. They rise in the morning, they move, come to the middle and then set. That's what Swamiji told us, that it comes as, moves and drops. All are suspended. They revolve. They revolve around themselves and then they revolve around the main planets. Not simply coming, revolving and going, but they come beautifully revolving. And not merely beautifully revolving, they maintain a rhythm. Like a beautiful dancer who comes on the stage, dancing. Dance is based on laya, and laya is also called tala. Nrittam tala layasritam. Like a beautiful dancer appearing on the stage, revolving, but maintaining the time, maintaining the rhythm, maintaining the balance and beauty. The sun rises, moves and sets. The stars rises, they move and set. So the ancient rishis looked at it as a beautiful dance, as a universal dance, as a cosmic dance, so they called it cosmic dance. And the world knows Nataraja as a cosmic dancer. And the entire philosophy, entire literature, entire music, entire dance and visualization of our people, particularly in the south, during the Chola period, was centered around this Nataraj, this Ananda Tandava. Ananda, according to Veda, is Parabrahmam. Anando Brahmeti Vyajanat. Ananda is Brahma, Parabrahma. So this Parabrahma revolving is called Ananda Tandava. That's how we get the name Ananda Tandava, and Ananda may also be ephemeral, but this is a Paramananda Tandava, and so our literature, they call it Paramananda Tandava. And about that, I will show some slides and show you some basic fundamental thoughts about Hinduism and how that is centered around Nataraja. I hope you will be able to follow it with the slides. Can you go one after the other? When I say next, you please go to the next one. Yes. Swamiji told that this is nature, nature's beauty, nature's movement, that is called Tandava. And that's what Adi Shankara also says. These are all nature's beauty. Okay. This.
That's it. That's a matter.
We have the sun, who is a celestial fire. We have the moon, which is also the celestial fire. We cannot create them. But we have another fire, which is a terrestrial fire, which we call Agni. So these are the three great fires through which the Supreme Consciousness look into the world. And that is what we do when we do Kumbhabhisheka or any yaga in different forms of altars, uttering Vedic mantras, which are all in praise of, beautiful praise of Godhood. And that is what we see. We have a square form, we have a circular form, and in the center rises the fire, Agni. Now Agni has many forms and many functions, but one very important Vedic mantra is called Vasordhara. At the final yaga they will pour Vasordhara, Vasordharam Juhoti. What is this Vasordhara? Now Vasordhara, according to the Veda itself, is addressed to Agni. Agni has got two forms, inseparable forms. It cannot be separated. Inseparable form. One is the heat energy and the other is the light energy. The heat energy is given a name as Rudra. The light energy, benign energy, is called Vishnu. So, the Veda says this is addressed to Agna Vishnu. Agna Vishnu. Think of Agni, terrestrial Agni. Is it possible to separate heat from the fire and light from the fire? These are inseparable powers in Agni, which the Vedic sages visualized. So one is called, heat energy is called Rudra. Rudro va yeshayad Agni. This Agni is none other than Rudra. And the other one is Vishnu. So these are the dual powers inherent in the fire, which is inseparable. That is the basic concept of whole Hindu thought from the very beginning. So there cannot be a separation between Saiva, Rudra, Shiva and Vishnu as Vaishnava. Impossible to separate them. They always exist together. That's what Swamiji said, one Ishvara. And this Agni has, according to the Veda itself, two figures, two forms. Tasya ete tanuvau. They have these dual forms. One, we call it Rudra, the other one, the same Veda says, it is benign, and that is called Shiva. Shiva is a feminine gender. At another place, the same Veda says, Rudra is Shiva and Vishnu is Shiva. Shiva and Shiva, that is Devi, Parvati, again inseparable power that exists in the terrestrial fire. That is the root of what we call later on Harihara. Agni and Vishnu, Rudra and Vishnu, and Shiva and Shiva as Ardhanari. We have these forms because when we come to the understanding of Nataraja, we will see that the Devi is inseparable from the dancer. Maya Shakti. So we call, on the one side, wherever the Shakti is there, Shiva is there, she is called Maya. And Vishnu is called Mayan. And further we go on and say that Maya and Mayan are brothers and sisters. Brother and sister. Sometimes they are even said to be identical. You see Durga in the temple, if you go everywhere, you will see her Shankha Chakradhari, like Vishnu. So she is Maya and Mayi on the one side and Shiva on the other side. And that is what is mentioned in all these poems, both Sanskrit and Tamil poems. Ariyallal Devi illai ayyan ayyaranarke. Tevaram says, there is no consort for Shiva other than Ari. So, we have these forms of Harihara and Ardhanarishvara arising from Agna Vishnu of the Vedic period. And unless we understand the Vedic tradition, we don't understand the roots of the representations, and we fight. It is not moving. So, you go on to the next one. No. This is an Ardhanarishwara, a lovely sculpture from Gangaikonda Cholapuram. What happened? And the Harihara is also from there. Then we find these are all lovely poems, beautiful poems, Tevaram poems. Right. Now here is Uma, who is on the left side of Shiva, who is a part and parcel of Shiva, inseparable. Next one, please. Now the rising sun is praised in the Veda, a particular Veda, which is recited in every ritual, every temple ritual, Kumbhabhisheka, everyone recites it, which is called Satarudriya, or it is also called simply Rudra. This rising sun is identical with, as Swamiji rightly said, is Shiva. And that is what is prayed in this Satarudriya, which is addressed to, you see, these are all great thoughts connected with the rising sun. You can see what it is. It has the terrific arrows. On the one side is the heat, the arrow that sends you heat, and the other side it sends you the light, cool light. So we say, Namaste Rudra Manyava Utota Ishave Namaha. I salute your arrows. Namaste Rudra Manyava Utota Ishave Namaha. Ishu means arrows. So these are the sun's rays which are conceived or thought of as so you have this separation